An explosion in Old Delhi's Naya Bazar area on Tuesday morning left one person dead and at least 5 others injured. The explosion took place very close to a mosque in area, news agency ANI reported. Preliminary probe revealed that the man, killed in the explosion, was carrying a bag containing explosive material. He was reportedly smoking when the blast occurred. Rescue efforts were carried out to assist those affected by the blast. Delhi Police's anti-terror wing and personnel from its special cell along with crime and forensic teams reached the site of the blast to pick up samples. Nayabazar is a highly congested area, with houses and shops on either side of narrow lanes. It's Raveena from Breaking News Tube. For more updates and news, log on to breakingnewstube.com.